Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be assembling my mini bike. Got all the parts here, our frame, already mounted up the fenders, so that's a pretty easy thing. We're just going to go over everything that you need first. Starting off up high, throttle setup runs down into the motor down here, and you can see when you just pulls on there. Second grip. Optional, but a kill start. It does suck to bend over to stop the motor every time. Seat, set of tires, a sprocket, a set of hydraulic brakes. There's the the rotor for those hydraulic brakes. You will also need some way to tension the chain. You will also need some sort of axle and spacers for the rim. Will also need a clutch as well. You could also go with a CVT if that was your option, but I'm just going to keep this video nice and simple and show it with a clutch. I'm going to start by installing the front tire with both the spacers and the axle. Okay, now I'm going to install the sprocket and the rear brake rotor on the rear tire. And just so you guys know what sprocket size I'm using, this small black one here is a 40 tooth. This is the stock one from the stock mini bike, and I'm going to be going with a 48 tooth this time. This just definitely roast clutch. This is so torquey, it just does wheelies all the time, and I've got like a young cousin that's riding it, and so we're going to try and go with something a little better. Hopefully this won't roast the clutch so bad, but we'll still have some okay top speed. Okay, I'm now going to try and throw this back tire on. I'm now just going to install the two light bars. Okay, I am now going to install the seat. I just got the motor placed on there. I'm now just gonna drop some bolts through these holes here on the bottom of the plate. Okay guys, the camera died last night while I was time-lapsing, so I'm not quite sure what I showed getting done, but grips are on, kill stops on, brakes on, cables are all run, got the rear caliper on. Yeah, I now just have the chain and the chain tensioner left. I just built myself a new one as I had bent this one quite a few times. She just wasn't strong enough, so I went with something a little beefier this time. There's just some flat stock I had laying around the shop. I've just got the chain tensioner thrown in there loosely. I'm just going to tighten that bolt there and nut up right now. I've just got to throw the chain on and put my master link in, and it's all good to go. I do want to put the box on the battery, but I'm going to take it for a couple rides without some lights. Just leave it like this. I like it. Looks a lot cleaner with the rear fender open like that. Got the mini bike all back together completely, wired up, headlights on. I ended up, rather than running the wires all the way back to the ammo box like I did last time where I had like a hole back here in the old one, I'm just going to use this one for tools and such. And there's just like a very small little box put in the back there for all the electrical. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked with how it came out. If it was not raining, I would definitely go take it for a rip for you guys, but she's coming down pretty good out there. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Have a good one.